down the fence row right here. Limping pretty bad. We're fixing to take him out though, so anyway, he's moving pretty fast. Right down that fence row. He gets clear of those cattle back there. I'll put the shank on him. I forgot my rangefinder, my Leupold rangefinder. So finally, when we did see a pig, he's kind of got a little old limp, and he's out there a good ways on this fence line running. Of course, I don't have a range, so I'm having to guess it. I'm thinking 250, 300.